Are you tired of spending hours reading through dense research papers or struggling to organize your references? What if I told you there's an AI-powered tool that can help you simplify research, streamline, and even assist with writing? Welcome to this beginner-friendly Scispace AI tutorial. Hi everyone, I'm Ron and today we are diving into Scispace AI, a revolutionary platform designed to make academic research and writing faster, easier, and more efficient. Whether you're student, researchers, or academic professional, this video will show you how you can harness the power of Scispace AI to supercharge your workflow. Right. So first of all, this Google, and here you have to find for size space, right? And the pricing is around, obviously, the basic plan is completely free. And as you move forward, as you need more charges, they are going to charge, right? On the left side, you can see this is a home, so I can query, right? I can just rate here, how can you help me? If as the enter, this is just like a normal, GPTs, right? But this is only used for the researching part because it show you that it's not really fast, but yeah, it can show you. For example, it gives you pretty much similar to the perplexity because it gives you some of the from where it took the information. For example, I just asked how can you help me, and it gave me something very different answer. But yeah, it gives me from where it's taking the answer and it trained me the papers, the insights of purely used for research. But I'm not sure how it is going to compare with Notebook LM or compete with Perplexity and Notebook LM. I mean, Google Notebook LM. There's are also PPI, which is used for the research. Now it gives you much more features. For example, I can chat with a peer if I can approach peer if and I can ask questions, right? And this feature is basically for literature review and there's an AI writer, so I can start writing with it, choose template, and I can use it, right? And start writing elements basically. First of all, just you have to log in with a Yokubel account. So simply just go and choose any of the account to create an account that is very seamless and I can start write, let's say, okay, write about whatever cycle. Let's press on generate. So basically, it just created in different sections, right? And I can just click on, for example, this is if I just kind of want to accept suggestion, it would show me right here, and I can write some more information. So it's completely just like a Grammarly because it will helping with my grammars and writing structure, right? And here you will find is here on the search where you can find papers. So in the papers, it will help you to find the papers because compare and analyze relevant papers that matches with this search, right? Not this for the topics, this is for the library. Now there's a find topics. So find topics is really cool topic because let's say I want to know about water cycle and press the enter. Now let's check out what it finds. So it's take a very few seconds because it's finding from the paper section. It doesn't work like a normal GPT. For example, it doesn't predict your next word, right? And it doesn't work like ChatGPT or Perplexity. It's very similar to, it just help you to find information, right? Which is stored in internet, and it helped you to take all this information from internet and showcase in a proper manner. That's the very, very slight difference between, AI writers as compared to Scispace. Right, so you can organize references and generate, there's a lot of things, and here you can now, this is how it's happening. That is a hydrologic cycle and evaporation set. So it is completely innotate information. That is pretty cool information, right? And it just keep on going. It's not like it's not explaining what a cycle in a very brief manner. It's just going deep into each and everything. That is one of the best thing of the fine topics. Now, this is a paraphrase. So I can just, for example, if I just go to paratopics, oh, it vanished, I think so. Inside my libraries, automatically my notebook has been created, right, which you can see here, which are just left on draft. Now let's get back to the home, and here you will find this option of paraphrases. So paraphraser is really useful because if you want to take if you want to take somebody else information and put it here and just write here paraphrase, so it will just paraphrase your entire information. But there's a word limit, right? Now this is citizen generation, so it will help you to create citizen, right? You have to just paste your entire article and it will help you to generate it. You can extract data, so upload all these research papers, PDFs, and it will help you to extract data. AI detector, it is really useful because it will help you to know that the information which you are saving or research paper you are receiving is not from ChatGPT. Like post and have invested the tire, it will help you to verify, right? And this is PDF Pi videos. You can upload PDF, and it will help you to turn, static research PDFs into engaging video with voiceover and subtitle and translation. So this is really a cool feature, and here you can see the testimonials and everything. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.